This is 3 good and 3 bad with the 2026 Hyundai Palisade XRT PRO. Do you need this much off-road ability in your 3-row SUV? Do you need any at all? If so, the market is flooded with choices, but they all start to creep up in price pretty quickly. Hyundai's Palisade XRT PRO is more reasonable with a price just north of $51,000. For that, you get off-road tires, H-Track all-wheel drive, a race suspension, dedicated off-road modes, and a few other goodies. But is it the real deal? Good thing number 1 is the answer, yes. The XRT PRO adds real ability when you take it in the dirt, and there's no mistaking which one you bought with canyon-bred tow hooks and black body cladding. An E-differential and that suspension help to give the Palisade all the unpaved ability you need, and I never got it stuck. Bad thing number 1 is the powertrain. This is an unassisted, naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 with 287 horsepower, and it's mated to an 8-speed automatic. With nearly 5,000 pounds to lug around, performance is tepid at best, and you must plan your highway passing accordingly. I know Hyundai can do better here, but it's the only powertrain option available. Good thing number 2 is the space. I can almost stand up inside. The third row is for real humans, and captain's chairs in the second row give this a school bus kind of vibe. It's pretty cool. I've been in plenty of 3-row SUVs that aren't packaged as well as this one, but cost more. But since we're in here, I have to say it's not finished very nicely. Yes, the price is cheaper, but so are the materials. The leather is less smooth than rubber, there's gigantic black plastic landscape everywhere, and the buttons creak when you press them. But good thing number 3 is that price. For $51,610, you get a lot of car and a lot of ability. Want to try a Yukon or a Lexus? Expect to spend much more money for the same space and ability. Car's a good deal. Lastly, we must mention the gas mileage. A combined 19 miles per gallon is less than that of a Land Rover with much more power and much more weight. It's no wonder I found myself slamming on the gas every time I had to move this thing, but with no power and no economy, this powertrain's a tough sell. But if you want the space while looking cooler than you would in a minivan, it's hard to argue with the Palisade XRT PRO. I give it a sole score of 6. I enjoyed its combination of off-road ability and packaging, making it a great choice if you need versatility at a reasonable price. As always, I'm Mike from Machines with Souls, and please like and subscribe for weekly beautiful car reviews.